You'd be nice to the froggy, huh? Can you be nice to that froggy? He's a nice froggy. Yeah. Nice froggy. Oh, he's a sweet froggy. Go easy on him, okay? You go easy on that froggy? You would never hurt him, right, Bex? You're very patient, aren't you? You're very patient.